Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Certain foods and lifestyle changes can help manage and control blood sugar levels naturally. So, let's get started. Number 1. Unripe plantain. It contains resistant starch, a type of fiber that doesn't break down in the small intestine, causing a slower rise in blood sugar levels. It can be consumed in various ways, like boiled or roasted. 2. Fish. Rich in omega-3. Fatty acids, fish like salmon, mackerel, and sardines help improve heart health and may reduce the risk of diabetes-related complications. Omega-3s have anti-inflammatory effects and may aid in regulating blood sugar levels. 3. Legumes, beans, lentils, and chickpeas are rich in protein, fiber, and complex carbohydrates. They have a low glycemic index and can help stabilize blood sugar levels after meals. 4. Vegetables. Low-carb and high-fiber vegetables such as leafy greens, broccoli, bell peppers, and cauliflower have minimal impact on blood sugar levels while providing essential nutrients. They can be consumed raw or cooked in various dishes. 5. Water. Staying hydrated is crucial for managing diabetes. Water helps regulate blood sugar levels, assists in kidney function, and aids digestion. It's recommended to drink plenty of water throughout the day. 6. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are rich in fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants. They have a low glycemic index, which means they have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels. 7. Whole grains. Opt for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, oats, and barley over refined grains. They contain fiber and nutrients, and their slower digestion can help prevent blood sugar spikes. 8. Lean protein. Incorporate lean protein sources such as poultry, eggs, tofu, and legumes into meals. Protein helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and promotes a feeling of fullness. 9. Healthy fats. Avocados, olive oil, and nuts contain healthy fats that aid in managing blood sugar levels. They contribute to satiety and help regulate insulin sensitivity. 10. Portion control and balanced meals. Focus on balanced meals containing protein, healthy fats, and complex carbohydrates. Portion control is crucial for managing blood sugar levels. 11. Regular exercise. Physical activity is essential for diabetes management. It helps improve insulin sensitivity, lowers blood sugar levels, and supports overall health. 12. Bitter melon, Momordica carrantia. This vegetable contains compounds that mimic insulin, aiding in lowering blood sugar levels. It can be consumed as juice, cooked, or added to stir-fries. 13. Aloe vera. Its gel may have blood sugar lowering effects when consumed. However, caution and medical supervision are necessary due to potential interactions with medications and possible side effects. 14. Neem Azadirachta indica. Known for its anti-diabetic properties, neem may help manage blood sugar levels. Consuming neem leaves, tea, or extracts may be beneficial. 15. Fenugreek seeds. These seeds have soluble fibers that slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates, resulting in lower blood sugar levels. Soaking seeds overnight and consuming the water or incorporating seeds into meals can be beneficial. 16. Gymnema sylvestre. Known as the sugar destroyer, this herb may help reduce sugar cravings and lower blood sugar levels. It can be consumed as a tea or in supplement form. 17. Cumin seeds. Studies suggest that cumin may improve insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Adding it to cooking or consuming it as a spice may offer benefits. 18. Turmeric. Curcumin, a compound found in turmeric, exhibits anti-inflammatory and blood sugar lowering properties. Incorporating turmeric into cooking or taking supplements may assist in managing diabetes. 19. Green tea. Rich in antioxidants, Green tea may improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Drinking it regularly can be beneficial. Remember, while these natural remedies might aid in managing blood sugar levels, they should complement, not replace, prescribed diabetes medications. Consulting with a healthcare professional is essential before making significant dietary or herbal changes, especially if on medication or managing chronic conditions.